Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Moodooy Retractable Portable Toilet, Adjustable Height Folding Toilet with Lid, Portable Travel Toilet. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose Moodooy Retractable Portable Toilet. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Adjustable Height Portable Toilet. The foldable toilet is made of high-quality ABS material with a fish scale-style structural design that is sturdy, durable, safe, and hygienic. It has a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds and can be adjusted to any height between 3.2 inches and 13 inches, allowing you to find the most comfortable height for yourself. This car toilet is suitable for people of all ages. Multifunctional Foldable Toilet. This car toilet for adults allows you to switch between different usage modes, including a toilet, a stool, a trash can, and a storage box. When nature calls, you and your family will be taken care of with comfort and convenience, just like at home. No more worrying about squatting in the bushes. Easy to use and store. It only takes a few seconds to set up this travel toilet by turning it clockwise. After use, simply turn it counterclockwise and press it into a disc shape, then put it into the included storage bag. Lightweight and compact at only 2.75 pounds, you can easily store it in your backpack, luggage, or car for convenient use anytime. Wide range of applications. If you love outdoor travel, camping, and wilderness exploration, then this adjustable height portable toilet is a must-have item. It adds convenience to your outdoor travel and provides a more comfortable, clean, and hygienic user experience. Add camping toilet to your gear list and make it a part of your outdoor adventures. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.